Hi everyone, welcome to Mother's Math with Hanya. Today I will introduce you to the basic concepts of geometry. And the main topics are point, line, line segment, ray and plane. Let's start from the point. What is point? A point is used to locate a position and it is represented by a dot. It has no shape, size and volume, and capital letters are used to label the points. As you can see in the example, we have a triangle. Our triangle have 3 points which I labeled with the capital letters A, B and C. Now take a plain paper and pen and draw some points on the paper and label them by the capital letters. After doing this, you can see the different points on the paper are locating the different positions on the paper. Next is line. What is line? A line connects 2 points. As you can see in the example, we have 2 points A and B, and these 2 points are connected by a straight line. This line can extend in both directions and it has no end points. The next is line segment. What is line segment? The shortest path between 2 points. As you can see in the example, we have 2 points A and B, and the distance from point A to B is known as line segment. It has a fixed length and it has well defined end points, and it cannot extend in any direction. The next is ray. What is ray? A ray can extend in one direction, but a line can extend in both directions. What is plane? A flat surface which goes on in all directions is known as a plane. As you can see in the example, we have a table and the top of the table is known as a plane, and this plane has 4 lines AB, BC, CD and DA, and the size of a plane depends on the size of a lines. Now properties of points and lines. The first property is that we can draw an unlimited number of lines through one point, as I drawn 4 lines through point A. And the next is one and only one line can be drawn through 2 points. If we have only 2 points, we can only draw one line. And the next is a line has infinite number of points. As you can see, I mentioned a line and I mentioned only 3 points over here, but there are a lot of points in this line. The next is points lying on the same line are called collinear points. As I mentioned, the point A, B and C on a straight line, these 3 points are known as collinear points. And the other points you can see A, B, C and D, which are located on different positions, such points are known as non-collinear points. When 2 lines are intersecting on a point, then that point is known as the point of intersection. Next, if the 3 or more lines pass through the same point, then they are called congruent lines. Otherwise, they are known as non-congruent lines. Next, the point common to 3 or more lines is called point of concurrency. Here, point A is known as point of concurrency. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel to support. My next topic will be circle.